What's up, you guys? It's your girl Delilah from The Simple Way, and today we're going to be in my backyard and we're going to learn how to smoke some chicken. And this is not a thing that's all about the guys. Smoking and grilling is not all about the guys. Ladies, we can do this. We can do this too. So if you want to learn how to do this, well, you know what you got to do. You got to keep watching.
So here we have our chicken. This is a 6-pound bird, which as you can see, it has not been cut up yet. However, it has been seasoned with garlic salt and it sat in the refrigerator for 24 hours in the garlic salt. So now my son is going to completely butcher this chicken. As you can see, he's making partial cuts on the bird as it lays breast side up, then flipping it over to complete the job. Now we're gonna smoke the entire chicken. So as you know, with any chicken, you got 2 legs, 2 thighs, 2 wings, the breast, and we're gonna smoke the back of the chicken. So have you ever tried chicken back? And last but not least, he's adding more garlic salt to the chicken, which is the only thing that you'll need to season your chicken with.
This is a smoker. It's not a standard grill, but they all work the same. The only difference is, since this one goes taller, it allows smoke to build up and stay in. It's really just like a big barbecue pit turned the opposite direction, going up instead of horizontal. But because of that, it allows more air inside, so it'll stay in and hang out, and it allows the smoke to really fill up inside. And there's a thermometer. As you can see, it's got a smoking temperature, a grilling temperature, a searing temperature. It has a temp. It shows where generally your heat needs to be for whichever type of cook you're doing.
So let's take another quick look at the smoker. I have my thermometer here. This item that you see here is called a chimney. Now this is a must-have for your smoker, and this is what you'll need to light the charcoal. Here I'm pointing out the vents on the smoker. This is what regulates the heat inside of it. And on this smoker, there's also another vent on top. Before you begin to smoke, you want to make sure that you know where the vents are located on your smoker, and you want to make sure that you know how to operate them.
These are sticks from the avocado tree. If you notice, they're dead, of course, but they're bright. I mean, they're kind of shiny. I have that oiliness to them. These are the ones you want to mainly use because they'll bring that flavor in. This, if you notice, in comparison to this one, is much more white, more of an ashy look to it already. It's because the oil has left it and it's been dead for I don't know how long. If you notice, this one on the inside is just looks fresher or newer. It's not as old.
So first we're going to dump the ashes from a previous cook so that we can reuse what's left from the coals. You'll need a bag of charcoal, and this is what we'll be using here. You'll also need a chimney to light your coals. And as you can see, my son X is stuffing some paper underneath the chimney. He's going to drop in a few handfuls of charcoal, and then he's going to light it up with a match. So, all right, X, let him know what to do next.
You want to wait till about half of them are like an ashy white color, then they're ready to be put into the chimney where I already pushed the wood chips around. So, wiggle it around. Knock some of these ashes off.
So as you see here, you always want to shake the ashes off of the coals so that will allow the coals to breathe and to stay heated.
Now you got that on, you can slap a grate onto that. And then make sure it's level. It has to be level.
So when you arrange your meat inside of the smoker, always put the smaller parts on the top and you want to put the larger parts on the bottom, because of course you want those larger pieces to be closest to the heat source because they'll need longer to cook. So hopefully you're using fresh avocado wood just like you see here. If you are, you want to make sure that you break up those sticks first so that they, you know, can get a good fit inside of that smoker, and toss them inside with the coals.
Once they start to smoke, it's like juice, it's almost on the surface of them. That's the oil. There's like a waxy film over all these sticks. And that really gets that smoke going. You want to make sure the grill is open a little bit on top. You want to open this, it usually gets hotter. You want to open that so air goes into that. But with this, we're going to leave it like right there so it'll stay at like 200 degrees. And look, it's going to light on fire soon. You see all that smoke? That's really going to penetrate the chicken. So look, it's like a wax that come off. I just pulled this from inside there. Take a look. It's getting softer. Like, it's not as brittle anymore. It's because that heat is like pulling out of it and it's melting it. And I left this crack so that some of that smoke get out. I leave it cracked just a little bit to like regulate that flow. I want to keep that smoke inside, but I don't want the fire to go down in heat. So yeah, this is the garlic that I had saving for this. You can see they're already peeled mostly. There's like one layer on the outside. I'm gonna open this. This is all smoke, no fire, all smoke. All smoke, no fire. So yeah, we're gonna toss these, like half of them, down at the bottom. And as they burn, it's gonna release their flavor into it.
Hannah baby. Hi Hannah baby.
Look, the dog is sleeping. Look.
Huh?
The dog is sleeping.
Yeah, he's asleep.
I'll open it because you have a bad habit of opening it and then smoking it.
That's what you want.
Why would you put it in my direction?
That's what you want. Freaking eyes.
Here, let me. Oh, I can. What do you need?
Just move the garlic closer to the top center.
I'll be ready to close the door.
See, look, it's not even halfway burnt because we kept that fire out of them. Now it's just a bunch of embers. The embers is like how cigarettes are. You recording, Mom?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. We don't make dry meat. Everything around here is moist, you know, starting from the mom to the meat. What's the deal, X?
No. You see all the smoke in this?
Is it done?
Almost.
How's it looking?
You gotta get a shot at that.
Okay, let me get up.
Blazed. And look, you see the spider? He's chilling right there. He's gonna burn. See him?
He's dead right there.
Oh, he's alive. See him?
Oh yeah, he's a goner. He's a goner. You're gonna learn how to smoke today, and you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, this is easy. Why didn't I do this before? I think you're gonna say that. You think you're gonna say that? I said it.
I sure did. I was like, smoking is easy. Shoot. It's easier than using a microwave. At least you know your food tastes better.
You want to hit that light?
Hit the what?
The light right above.
I'm gonna have my teenage son guide this whole process. I will be behind the camera, so every now and then I might throw up a peace sign in front of the camera just to let you know, look, I'm with you. We here. We in this together. So let's learn how to smoke. Let's go.